2008 BMW 335i. Got a really nice wrap on it. Army green. I really like that color. That's awesome. All right, what we got done on it for you guys? Got factory converters up there. Got factory pipe all the way back. Then it's got the secondary. It's got secondary converters right there. Factory X pipe. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and we did a rear muffler delete there and there, as you guys can see. And then he brought his own carbon fiber tips there and there that we installed for him. There it is, BMW 335i. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off right there. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, so we did a BMW. You guys remember doing this BMW last week? It was a 335i. Got a nice little wrap on it. Got wheels lowered. Just a nice stance. Got factory converters. Then secondary converters there. Then a factory X pipe. Then he said it droned too much from the straight pipes. So we went ahead and put Vibrance 1792s, part number 1792. There'll be a link in the descriptions for them. 2 of them right there, as you guys can see. One there, one there. Then he also custom made his own drone pipes. They're Van Huysen drone pipes. He went to a link and they told him the direction, the length, and the temperature and area that they need to be put on. So he made them, he brought them to us, and we put them on for them there and there. So for their drone pipes. And then you got these, got the carbon fiber tips out the back to finish it off. Looks really nice, really clean. As you guys can see right there. There it is. Look at that setup, something different. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification. Much better. Now it sounds like a BMW. Oh, that's awesome. You can hear it whistle. That's awesome. There's sound decibels again. 109. Go ahead and back it up. Hey, did a really nice job on it.
I've seen some panoramic on video.
Yeah. That's so good. I like how you debadged it all too. It looks really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. The more it warms up, the quieter it gets. Who's dog? It did. Those drone pipes made a difference.
I don't hear the drone.
I don't hear anything.
I think under load at like 2,500 though. Be a good test.
Yeah. Huh. Again? Yeah, it's a lot wider. Let you guys hear on the inside. .335i. Nice. was that straggler at the end. Nice. Yeah, it cut down the drone a lot. Let us know what you guys think.